Hi friends, where we stand for corona vaccine. Today, what is the status of vaccine in different countries? We know that approximately 236 vaccines in different stages of trials. In that, 43 under phase 1, 20 under phase 2, 6 limited use, 18 phase 3, 2 approved, 1 abandoned because of negative results. There is one type of vaccine, mRNA, which was manufactured or developed by Pfizer BioNTech. It is in phase 3 trial. Presently, it is approved in Canada and emergency use in USA. The same type mRNA, Moderna trials in phase 3. It is approved in Canada and emergency use in USA. There is another type adenovirus CanSino. It is in trials phase 3 and it is from China. The virus name is Convidicia 85NCOV. It is given approval for limited use in China. Another adenovirus from Johnson and Johnson, it is in phase 3 trials. It is yet to be approved. Another adenovirus AZD1222 from Oxford AstraZeneca, trials in phase 3 and it is yet to be approved. Another adenovirus Gamelia, it is also in phase 3 trials. It is given approval for early use in Russia. The another type is protein type. The vaccine contains small portions of viral proteins known as peptides. The vaccine name is Epivica Corona. It is from Vector Institute from Russia. It is in trials in phase 3. It is given approval for early use in Russia. Another protein from Novavax. The number is NVXCOV2373. It is in phase 3. It is yet to be approved. The vaccine is made for Novavax vaccine by sticking proteins onto microscopic particles. Another type is inactivated Sinopharm from Beijing, China. It is in phase 3 trial, approved in UAE, Bahrain, and limited use in China. Sinopharm from Wuhan, that is also from China. It is in phase 3 trial. It is given approval for limited use in China and UAE. Sinovac from China, it is in phase 3 trials, limited use in China. Covaxin from India, it is in phase 3 trial, yet to be approved for testing on human bodies. mRNA type is the type which teaches cells how to make a protein that triggers an immune response inside human bodies. The vaccine number is BNT62B2. It is manufactured by Pfizer USA, BioNTech Germany, and mRNA also developed by Moderna USA. The vaccine number is mRNA 1273. Adenovirus is genetically engineered common cold virus to make COVID-19 vaccines. It is actually previously it is used for common cold and flu. Now it is re-engineered, modified and developed for taking care of COVID-19. These vaccines, CanSino from China, Sputnik V Gamelia from Russia, J&J 78436 from Johnson and Johnson, USA, Oxford, London, AstraZeneca, Sweden. These four companies have developed adenovirus which is genetically engineered common cold virus to make COVID 19 vaccines. Inactivated, the virus is inactivated during the process of making the vaccine. That is actually dead virus will be injected into the human body to develop antibodies in the human body after giving this vaccine. So Sinopharm from Beijing is this type of vaccine. It vaccine name is BBIPP CORV, and Sinopharm from Wuhan, that is also inactivated virus. Coronavac, that is the vaccine name from Sinovac China, and Covaxin from India. Sinopharm from Beijing, Sinopharm from Wuhan, both are inactivated, and Sinopharm Beijing vaccine number is BBIPP CORV. There is number of tests before using actually on the public or human bodies. The first test is preclinical testing. Scientists test a new vaccine on cells and then give it to animals such as mice or monkeys to see if it produces an immune response. Then it goes to phase 1 safety trials. Scientists give the vaccine to a small number of people to test safety and dosage, as well as to confirm that it stimulates the immune system. Next, it goes to phase 2 expanded trials. Scientists give the vaccine to hundreds of people split into groups to see if the vaccine acts differently in them. And after finishing the phase 2, it goes to phase 3, which is efficacy trials. These trials can determine if the vaccine protects against the coronavirus, measuring what is known as the efficacy rate. Then it goes to limited approval after finishing phase 3. Some countries have begun giving emergency authorization to vaccines based on preliminary evidence that they are safe and effective. Once this limited approval is okay and giving good results on the human bodies, then the approval will be given. Regulator, Regulators review the complete trial results and plans for a vaccines manufacturing and decide whether to give it full approval or not. And there is one case where it is abandoned because of the negative symptoms observed in the human bodies. So now, as on date, USA has given nearly 1 million, 1.229 millions vaccinated out of 1.01 billion ordered, which is 13.93% of global share. European Union not started vaccination. They ordered 1.585 billions, which is 21.87 percentage of global share. China completed 1 million vaccinations and they ordered nil because they developed their own vaccines in China itself. India not yet started vaccination. They ordered 1.5 billion vaccines, which is 20.69 percentage of global share. Canada completed 36,912 vaccines. They ordered 0.358 billions, which is 4.94 percentage of global share. Israel completed 0.14 millions vaccinations and they did not order anything so far. They are trying to use from their own developments. Russia, they complete 0.44 millions vaccinations. They did not order anything outside. They are using their own developments. UK, they completed 0.625 nearly millions vaccinations and they ordered 0.357 billions, which is 4.92% of global share. COVAX is the group of countries given vaccination under cooperation from developed countries because they are unable to afford cost of vaccines. Developed countries have planned for helping COVAX countries where they are very poor to get the vaccines. In that COVAX countries, they ordered nearly zero point 0.7 billions, which is 9.66 global share, and they did not start any vaccination so far. And total vaccines ordered is 7 billion 248 millions approximately. And there is another form of corona strain virus is named as VUI 202012 bar 01. It is spreading very fast compared to COVID 19 with additional mutations, but the symptoms are expected to be same. So Brazil, they did not start any vaccination. They ordered for 0.196 billions, which is 2.7% of global share. Japan also did not start any vaccination. They ordered 0.290 billions, which is 4% of global share. Indonesia also did not start any vaccination so far. They ordered 0.338 billion, which is 4.66% of global share. That's all, dear friends. Happy Christmas and wish you happy and new year, and be careful about the new strain of coronavirus. Thank you. Please subscribe and share and press bell icon. Thank you very much.